So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to invest in Ethereum on Moomoo. So once the Moomoo application's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left, in between watch list and accounts, press on markets. Now at the top here where it says overview, simply go ahead and slide to where it says crypto and press on that. Then at the top in the middle it says Ethereum, press on that. Now once you're here, I want you to scroll down a little bit to where it says related ETF and then press on the arrow. Now once you're here, there actually isn't a exact way to invest or how to buy Ethereum through Moomoo, but instead you have to go through the related ETF side. So this one right here, ticker symbol ETHE, Grayscale Ethereum Trust, press on that. And if you want to invest into an ETF, that tracks the Ethereum index, this one is for you. So you can go ahead and do your research. Obviously you can buy if you want. If not, it's completely up to you. This is not financial advice whatsoever. But once that is done, go to the bottom left, press on trade, and then press on buy. And how you would with a normal stock, for example, through Moomoo, go ahead and figure out the process. So you can go ahead and do your session, the order type, the price, etc., the quantity. Once that's done, press on buy and go through the process that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to invest in Ethereum on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.